Alright, here we are at level 4, and once again we're going to start with our parent function table. On the outside, so if this is a square root, so the square root is going to have 0, 1, and 4 for my inputs, 0, 1, and 2 for my outputs. Now what's happening is that I'm multiplying my output by -4, and I'm subtracting 7 from it afterwards. So this is all to my output. Nothing is happening to my inputs. There's nothing with the x. So I know right now that 0, 1, and 4 are going to remain. So to my outputs, I'm going to multiply by a -4, and then I'm going to subtract 7. So multiply 0 by -4, I get 0. Take away 7, I get -7. Multiply 4, -4 times 1, I get -4, and then take away 7, I get -11. 2 times the -4 is -8, and then take away 7, I get -15. Alright, so now I'm going to just graph these and see what we get. So 0, -7. 1, -11. It's going to be 1 off the graph, so I'm just going to extend it. And then 4, -15. This is going to be really far off the graph. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be down here. So the graph essentially is going to be going down like that. So what just happened now, this -4 really changed the way that the square root graph looked. Normally the parent function would look like that, and now it's facing down. So what the -4 did, when you multiply the output by that negative, it actually reflected it down over the x-axis, and it's going in the opposite direction. So now one thing I would like you to do is make one correction on the second question here. I would like you to make this a positive x. I don't want you to make that a negative x. I'd like you to make that positive. Okay? And then you can make that negative on the outside, and you complete those the problems just like they are.